Hello lovely people, welcome to my channel. Thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create an Apple ID. Yes, this time we shall be looking at how you can easily create your Apple ID. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method I'll be teaching you guys today is very simple. So you need not to root to a device, and so this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to open your browser or your Google. Now once you open your browser, all you need to do is to search for Apple ID apple.com. So you can see over here appleid.apple.com. now once you have searched for this, then you click on the search button and then you need to wait as it is loading over here. So now once you search for this, you can see Apple ID at the upper right corner. You can see this arrow here. Just click on that, and once you click on that, you can see create your Apple ID. So just click on create your Apple ID, and once you click on that, you can see over here it will be asking for some details over here. So let's go ahead and then fill this. So let me enter my name, first name, and then my last name, and then you have to select your country or region. So let me select my country. So let me select my country over here, so Ghana, and then you enter your date of birth. This is very simple, so let me enter the month, and then you enter the day, and then enter any, and you can see over here you have to enter an email for your Apple ID. So you have to enter a new email which is not associated with any Apple ID. So you have to create a new one over here, and once you are done, then you have to create a password for this Apple ID. So let me enter my password, and you can see your password must have 8 or more characters, and also upper and lower case letters, at least one number. So let me enter, and now just enter a strong password. So just enter a password for your Apple ID. This is the Apple ID password. So just enter a strong password. Now once you have entered the password, you can see enter your number, but you have to enter your country first before you enter. So just enter your country, so Ghana. Oh my god. Okay, so just look for your country over here. Now you can see my country, Ghana, and then you enter your number. You can see my password doesn't match. Okay, so you need to make sure your password match. So you can see you enter your password, and then you confirm your password, and then you enter your country over here. Then you enter a number. Please, you need to make sure this number is active, and also the email you enter, you need to make sure everything is active, because they will send you a code for you to verify your account through your email and also this number. So you need to make sure this number is correct. So once you have entered the number, you can see verify with text message, and you can see phone call, but I'll advise you to leave it just like that. You need to make sure it is on text message so that they can text you the verification code for you to verify your account. So you can see over here, you need to make sure everything is correct and your password is correct. Now you have to confirm these letters, so just repeat them. So I can see E and I think some M, and then 4 X and then 1. Now once you are done, just click on continue, and like I said earlier, a verification code will be sent through the email that you provided, and also the second verification will be the 6-digit verification code on this number that you just provided. Now once you have entered all those 2 verification, boom, your account is created. This is very simple. So with this, you have created your account, you have created your Apple ID. And let's look at how you can use this on your phone. If you're already having it, all you need to do is to open your phone settings, and you can see my Apple ID over here. You can just click on your Apple ID and then scroll down. You can see log out. You can log out from your old Apple ID, and then you log in with the new one that you just created and use this new Apple ID on your phone. So with this, you can easily create your Apple ID and use it on any device. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,